I'm sure you've heard the news. Paris isn't just for lovers, it's for foodies too. Today, let's dive into the delicious world of Parisian cuisine. Our journey begins at a quaint little cafe on a charming cobblestone street. Meet Sophie and Marie, two local Parisian girls with a passion for cooking. Their secret, fresh local ingredients and a sprinkle of love. We start with a classic, the croissant. Buttery, flaky, and oh so delicious. Watch as Sophie expertly layers the dough, creating those perfect golden layers. The aroma, simply irresistible. Next up, Marie takes us to the vibrant local market. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and cheeses as far as the eye can see. Each vendor with a story, each ingredient with a history. Back in the kitchen, it's time for ratatouille, colourful, hearty, and bursting with flavours. As we cook, Sophie shares tales of her grandmother's recipes, passed down through generations. Voila, a meal that's not just food but an experience. Want more mouth-watering adventures? Hit subscribe and join our culinary journey through France. Au revoir and bon appétit.